Listen, if you think you're going to get rich working a 9-to-5 job, you're living in a fool's paradise. Living a comfortable, ordinary life in America is easy, but becoming a millionaire at a young age? That requires a specific money game, one that neither school nor college will ever teach you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build a mountain of dollars between the ages of 20 and 25. This isn't some miracle. It's a matter of pure mathematical calculation. Watch this video to the very end, because at the conclusion, I'll reveal a secret that could boost your income tenfold overnight. Let's start with a story. I had an acquaintance named Jordan. At the age of 22, while his friends were blowing thousands of dollars at pubs and parties, Jordan was living in a dilapidated apartment and subsisting on cheap noodles. He wasn't a magician. He simply adhered to a principle we call paid in future. Jordan began his career in a small American town, working as a delivery boy. But he knew that physical labor alone wouldn't make him rich. He dedicated 5 hours of his day to mastering high-ticket skills. Specifically, he learned digital real estate and SEO. While his friends were buying the latest iPhones, Jordan was using that same money to purchase inexpensive domain names, build websites, and optimize them to rank high in search results. 3 years later, when Jordan turned 25, those very websites were generating over $15,000 in passive income for him every single month, all while he was sitting in the Maldives, sipping cocktails alongside those same friends. That is the difference between working smart and working hard. If you want to accumulate wealth while living in America, your first priority must be to lower your expense ratio. We refer to this as the Latté Factor. A $5 Starbucks coffee might seem like a trivial expense to you on a daily basis, but over the course of a month, that adds up to $150. And over a year, it amounts to $1,800. Have you ever considered how much you would have after 10 years if you were to invest that $1,800 in an S&P 500 index fund? To earn a living in America, simply working a job is not enough. You must cultivate multiple sources of income. In today's landscape, the most lucrative avenues are content creation, e-commerce, or dropshipping, and freelancing. Selling your services in the American market means receiving payment directly in US dollars. Remember, you are truly successful only if you earn in dollars, but avoid falling victim to lifestyle inflation. Do you know what Jordan did? When he earned his first $5,000 in a single month, he didn't go out and buy an expensive car. Instead, he reinvested that entire $5,000 into an online course and the stock market. He understood that letting money sit idle is tantamount to eroding its value. In America, inflation is constantly eating away at your savings. Therefore, you must invest in assets that yield returns of at least 8% to 10% or higher. The key to earning a substantial amount of money at a young age is leverage. If you work alone, you are limited to a maximum of 8 to 10 hours of work per day. However, if you build a system or software that works on your behalf 24 hours a day, you can generate income even while you sleep. Jordan has now purchased his own bungalow in Florida, and his garage currently houses the very cars that his friends once used to flaunt in front of him, cars he used to merely covet. Yet, to this day, Jordan maintains, saving money isn't about being stingy. It's about purchasing your own future freedom. If you start saving 30% of your income today and invest it wisely, within the next 5 years, you could join the ranks of the top 1% of earners in America. Remember, opportunities come to everyone, but success belongs to the one who seizes them first. Look around you for opportunities. The American economy offers countless pathways to success. All you need to do is keep your eyes open. Saving money means putting it to work, not keeping it locked away in a closet. Like Jordan, Are you ready to save your very first dollar starting today? Let us know in the comments which city you are watching this video from and what your next goal is. Remember, where you see yourself 5 years from now depends entirely on the decision you make today to save that initial $5. Start working right now. Do not wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow signifies defeat. Do not chase after dollars. Instead, build a system where the dollars chase after you. Enhance your skills, build your network, and make the most of the abundant opportunities available here in America. Jordan succeeded because he exercised patience. You too can succeed if you start today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep investing and keep increasing your own value.